All right, we're going to go over our multiples of 4 on this practice sheet, okay? So let's go ahead and start with this section number 1. We know 0 times 4 equals, get ready, 0. 1 times 4 is, get ready, 4. 2 times 4 is, get ready, 8. 3 times 4 is, get ready, 12. 4 times 4 is, get ready, 16. 5 times 4 is, get ready, 6 times 4 is, get ready, good. 7 times 4 is, get ready, 28. And 8 times 4 is, get ready, 32. 9 times 4 is 36. If you notice, you already know some of these facts from learning the others. So you know 0 times, you know 1 times, 3, 2, 3. You know the 5 times 4. So really you're only adding a few more multiplications to the ones you already know. All right, let's go over to section 2 and let's go ahead and match up. 4 times 4 is, get ready, 16. 0 times 4 is 0. 8 times 4 is 32. 6 times 4 is 24. 1 times 4 is 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 4 equals 8. 7 times 4 equals 28. And 3 times 4 equals 12. All right, in part 3, we're just going to fill in the missing numbers. What times 4 equals 28? 7. What times 4 equals 0? That's an easy one. 0. What times 4 equals 16? 4. What times 4 equals 36, everyone? Get ready. 9. What number times 4 equals 4? 1. Good job.